Have you ever looked at a watercolor painting and thought, I wish I could do that, but I probably can't? Maybe you've tried before and the paint just ran everywhere. Or maybe you've watched video tutorials online, but yours did not look like theirs. You've landed in the right place. My name is Catherine Jennifer. I have a degree in fine art from the University of Cape Town, majoring in painting. I'm an in-person watercolor instructor and a top teacher on Skillshare. I spent years working in oils and acrylics, but anytime I tried watercolor, I failed miserably. The paint was weak, difficult to control, wishy-washy, and the results I got were always disappointing. I decided watercolor was not for me. Also, I thought watercolor paintings were quite boring. Fast forward about 20 years and I discovered modern watercolor. Here were artists making vibrant, joyful, loose paintings with colors that bloomed and blended in tantalizing ways. I had young children at the time and I needed a way to paint in short bursts of time, so I decided it was time to learn watercolor properly. My first paintings were terrible, but I stuck at it, determined to figure out how this paint works. I started teaching on Skillshare and became a top teacher. Then I started teaching my own in-person watercolor classes, and this was when I really began to see and understand the things people struggle with. Watching my students enjoy the process and grow in confidence has been so rewarding. But watercolor is something you have to practice if you want to improve, and that's why I'm excited about this app. Here's how it works. When you open the app, you start by answering a few questions about your experience, your goals, and what you're hoping to get out of painting. Based on your answers, the app builds a personalized learning plan designed around where you are right now and how much time you want to spend working on watercolor each week. Then each day you get bite-sized lessons, hands-on painting exercises, and creative prompts that fit into your real life. The lessons walk you through watercolor techniques, things like washes, blending, color mixing, wet on wet, and hard and soft edges. The content is a combination of video lessons and material that I've created, as well as AI text-based information. As you go along, you can take photos of your work and upload it into the app, and you'll get feedback from your AI coach on things like composition, water control, and brushwork. It's like having someone look over your shoulder and say, here's what's working, and here's what you need to do next. The app is built to help you practice consistently and stay motivated. Instead of wondering what to do next, the app will tell you, so you can spend less time procrastinating and searching for your next subject and more time actually painting and improving. Whether you're picking up a brush for the first time or returning to painting after years away, my hope is that with the help of this app, you will not only learn watercolor skills, but also reconnect with your creative self and discover the real joy that you can get from watercolor painting. So if you are ready to stop wishing you could paint and actually get on with it, get started with my Watercolor Joy app today.